This vacuum suction magnet bracket. It's a K series. It actually charges your phone. So if we look here, this is how you, when you attach it, it's sticky. And then you actually run this in, that tightens it up, tightens up the suction so it really sticks there. So I'll show you how to install it. Just put it on here. I'll move everything out of the way and I'll just tighten this down. Now that's really on there. To get power into it, you plug it in just like this, okay? And then you can basically put your phone on there if you want to. All right, I'll cover up but there you go, right? It charges your phone, of course, and the nice thing about this is extremely adjustable. You can have this hanging from the top down, side over, from the windshield, because look at this. Look how much this adjusts. I mean, there's an articulating arm here, this rotates 360, this rotates 360, this rotates like that. It's on a ball joint, and you also have a joint there and there. So, I mean, it's like, I don't even know how many different adjustments it has, but I mean, if I wanted to have my phone sticking down and charge it, I could. So it's very adjustable, sticks on your car very well. And that is it. That is the car mount. When it's charging, this lights up a little bit, which is pretty neat. You can actually see it here in the picture. You know, it's a little colorful thing. And that's the mount. Comes with some cleaning stuff. It comes with a charging cable, of course. And also, if your phone is not already MagSafe, you have this. You can actually put this on your phone, and that makes it MagSafe. So, yeah, very adjustable. Yeah, that's the mount.